Hello everyone, my name is Sean Mancini, your technical advisor from IT Solution Journal. In this video, we're talking about the SolarWinds NetFlow Analyzer. We'll talk about its features, its benefits, and go over the installation process to get you on your way. Before installing the SolarWinds NetFlow Traffic Analyzer and going over a general overview, let's go over some of its key benefits. Key benefits include in-depth bandwidth monitoring, as well as malicious traffic detection. That paired with network performance analysis abilities will be able to greatly identify bandwidth hogs, because now we can see flows coming in and out of our network rather than just how much traffic is coming in and out of our network. That paired with the great support from the SolarWinds SWAT community as well as SolarWinds technical support puts a NetFlow Traffic Analyzer as a great tool in your IT tool belt. With all that, let's go ahead and take it for a test drive. To access the NetFlow Traffic Analyzer main dashboard, off the main Orion dashboard, go to My Dashboards, go down to NetFlow, and then NTA Summary. Once on the NetFlow Traffic Analyzer main dashboard, we can start to see devices that are NetFlow enabled that have been imported into the system. We can then see interface statistics, and then start to see NetFlow graphs. For example, my favorite one is the top 10 applications. The reason why I like this one is that it can provide insights into where your traffic is coming and going to. For example, say you're having bandwidth issues. You're running out of bandwidth and you need to figure out why. All of a sudden you see a bulk of your information is going to Netflix. Netflix is not particularly a business critical application. So you might want to use this data to block Netflix or use this data to rate limit it. Whatever you end up doing with the information, it's the power of having the information instead of just having a number. In traditional SNMP monitoring, you would just see 82%, for instance, in this interface, 82% of this interface is in use. But without NetFlow, you wouldn't be able to tell what it is. Is it business critical information? Is it Netflix? You don't know. This is where the power of NetFlow comes in. Network security can even use this information. If you're in network security and you see one of the top 5 conversations on the network is towards a host that you have no idea what it is, it's time to investigate. You can drill down even more. For example, let's say out of this 82% receive, we want to know exactly what that 82% comprises of. You can click on the interface. By clicking on the interface, we can now get graphs specific to this interface. Quick example. So 82% of this interface is in use. So we see the top 5 applications. Once the data is populated, the top 5 application for this is HTTP traffic. So we know it's web traffic. And the top 5 domain is going to Wikimedia. You as a network administrator can tell if this is a business critical application. If it's a business critical application, then it might be time to look towards the future about bandwidth increases. If it's not a business critical application and this is affecting your network bandwidth, it's time to either block that site or rate limit it or filter it in a way that only certain users could use it, whatever you plan on doing with that information. But the main takeaway here is that the information is there versus just having that number 82% and not knowing exactly what it is. We can see very detailed information such as types of service, top 5 conversations on this particular port. The data can help drive the decisions that you make on your network. And this is where I personally like the NetFlow Traffic Analyzer, because it can help us make business decisions with data-backed information. If I'm going to upgrade a network and I'm going to invest capital expenditures or CapEx in my network, I want to be able to pinpoint exactly what needs to be upgraded and marry that financial request to my board or my management team with data to show that our network is not being saturated by non-business critical applications and I'm actually spending money where it needs to be spent. NetFlow Traffic Analyzer is a must for today's enterprise grade network. I highly recommend it. The installation is very simple, the interface is very sleek, and it's very accessible to technical users and non-technical users alike. One of the best things about SolarWinds is that they provide fully functional 30-day free trials. You can use these trials to install their products on your network and see if it's right for you. If it is, you can use data from your own network and not marketing material to bring to your management team and request funding. And in that presentation, using data from your own network, you can show the benefits that it provides to your company. This is better received than marketing material and sales pitches. Before installing NetFlow Traffic Analyzer on your server, we must collect the basic system requirements. Requirements will vary based on your deployment. The more devices you are monitoring, the higher the system requirements. Proper planning is recommended and strongly advised to ensure system stability and a satisfactory experience. SolarWinds recommends at minimum a quad-core CPU with 16 gigs of RAM. However, this is assuming default installation with default settings. I would recommend SSD hard drives for physical servers or high-speed storage area networks for virtual machines. Database design must also be considered as this tool is heavily reliant on the backend database. Keep in mind, the Network Performance Manager must also be installed from SolarWinds on the same server and also connects to the same database as a NetFlow Traffic Analyzer. You may want a dedicated database host for optimal performance. Network design must also be taken into account, as you may need to open up appropriate firewall roles. More information on system requirements and system design can be found in the support documentation at SolarWinds.com. Installing the SolarWinds NetFlow Traffic Analyzer is a straightforward process. After downloading the fully functional 30-day free trial onto our computer, double-click, which will then extract the software onto our computer for installation. The full installation process will take roughly 40 minutes, so we've sped up the video in the interest of time. Click Yes to the user account control. You'll then be brought to the SolarWinds installer. Ensure that you have a checkbox checked next to the NetFlow Traffic Analyzer package and click Next. There will be some checks done by the installer. You will receive a prompt about NetFlow Traffic Analyzer and its requirement for MySQL. Since this is a demo, we're installing the SQL database onto the same computer that NetFlow Traffic Analyzer is being installed on. However, in production, it is recommended and supported that you have a dedicated database host. We will hit Confirm and click Next. Accept the license agreement, click Next again. It will ask you if you backed up your database. In my case, I have backed up my database, so I'm going to click Yes. Now click Install. The installation process begins. This is where the bulk of the time of the installation takes place. After the installation wizard has completed, you will click Finish, which will launch a configuration wizard. The configuration wizard will then install default configurations for the NetFlow Traffic Analyzer. It will also get the database ready. Since we're using a local database, we'll have to create an account for this database. Under Use a SQL Server account to access the database, we will create a password as well as a username. In my case, I'm creating an account called NTA. However, you will change that to your needs. Click Next. Click Next. And now the configuration wizard goes ahead and sets the defaults as well as gets the database all connected for the first launch. After this step is complete, we will then be able to launch the web browser and access the web console. Click the bottom left hand side if not already clicked. Make sure there's a checkbox and click Finish. It will launch Internet Explorer to 127.0.0.1:8787, which will bring us to the Orion login page. You know, SolarWinds has been around for a very long time. They understand the need for network monitoring solutions that work and that don't take forever to get going. They're easy, they are feature rich, and they have tons of support to back them up. You know, SolarWinds, in my opinion, has one of the best support ecosystems. With the THWAC community, the THWAC online community, there are tons of learning opportunities, forums, and stuff like that. And then you also have the SolarWinds technical support people that are always willing to help. Even their sales teams are very simple to get along with. You need a quote, you need something, it's very simple to work with them. One of the top things on my list, aside from all the feature-rich solutions and the software, is the fact that they also understand business need. They make the product talk for itself. Yes, they are not the cheapest on the market. There are open source alternatives that do similar things. But if you're looking for something that integrates well, that flows nicely, and that has tons of support behind it, SolarWinds is the right choice for you. If you liked this video or found it helpful, you can support our efforts to bring you this type of content by clicking the link below to get your fully functional 30-day demo version of the software. We really appreciate your support. Thanks for watching.